guys, the Rage here. I will do a quick video of the WHGT10. So I want to show you guys a quick unboxing of this. This is a whole house water filter system. So without further ado, let me bring this to the side over here. And they send the tape. Comes with a bracket to mount to the wall. The filter itself. And some screws to mount. And a manual. So installation and operation. This is for MewMore. And I think they used to be Pure, but maybe not. Maybe it's a different brand. No, yeah. But there it is. MewMore whole house water filter. Look at that. I think this you take it off after or something. I don't know what's up with this. But anyways, it's very sturdy and brass fittings inside, which is nice. And it comes with the tool to open this, because you cannot open this without this tool. So do not lose the tool, okay? Seriously. And the filter goes inside, which doesn't come with the filter, so you gotta get the filter. But it's a lot of several turns here. And there it is. So yeah, filter goes inside here for the whole house. You mount this to the wall, and yeah, that's very easy. Actually, this goes mounted to the wall, and then I don't know how this goes, to be honest. I have to figure out. I mean, obviously not like this, so you go like this. No, I don't know how this goes. I gotta check it. Instructions. This is the time for instructions, right? And but now I am curious. So I'm gonna look it up how this gets mounted, because okay, I see. There it is. Okay, it does go on top. So this goes on top, like this, and this goes in the wall. That makes sense. Yeah, that's how it goes. I mean, not the prettiest of designs, but no, it works. This goes in the wall, and then this screws in here, which the provided screws. Actually, it's probably more like this. Yeah, it's like that, you know. So it's not too bad, but you know, still an ugly duckling if you were to ask me. But it stays outside, hidden, so it doesn't bother me. So if looks is what you're after, you might want to reconsider there. But yeah, that's about it. 4 screws. I mean, they're really big, fat screws. That goes in there. I don't know if this. I mean, would this stay? Let's see. I mean, they should, right? It's weird because this will go right over. So I have to figure out how it mounts, but I know these screws go in here easy, right? Like that. So, but I don't see any washers or anything like that to go with it, so I'm gonna assume I'm doing it wrong. But anyways, I'm gonna install it. I'll let you guys know how it worked. Take care.